my name's Allison Chang, and I teach at Palisades Charter High School. Even though we're in Pacific Palisades, about 27.5% before the fires of student population was social economic disadvantage. We are technically a Title I school. It took a lot to keep music going at the temporary campus, which is kind of heartbreaking because we no longer had our MacBooks. We had to find free DAW. We could still create things. I have a student that I was shocked at what he could do with the limited amount of resources that we had in Soundtrap. My first response when I realized a student must have said something, I guess I must be doing something right, because a lot of the students that I work with don't get the opportunity to create, and this gives them a safe space to do so.
For us to lose our school was really traumatic. But what I saw from our arts department, and especially from Ms. Chang, was how they adjusted, how they were so patient with circumstances that weren't ideal. And I've seen so many students blossom under her care and guidance, and then just see new confidence when they realize that they actually have an ability to do something they didn't really know that they could do. And Ms. Chang is one of the people who really make that happen.
My name is Lorenz Tolson, and I'm the teacher here at Hamilton High School for the Music Industry and Technology program. Students get a choice to go between 3 different emphases, whether that's being a composer, an engineer, or being part of our music business program. If you ever heard of Make Waves Music, those students are the ones that run their very own student-run record label. Students are actually releasing music of their own. We've had some students do music videos. We've had students who graduated from here and have become absolute TikTok famous. So it's really exciting having those students really get to experience what the music industry is. I think as a music teacher, we're supposed to breathe creativity. We're supposed to create safe spaces for students to utilize the medium in a way that heals. I think that music is healing. I think that it is our duty to ensure that we create a safe space, create an opportunity for students to show who they are and what they have at all levels.
Hey, I'm Mr. LB. I teach music production here at Roosevelt High School. We are so lucky to have a 3-year CTE sequence of music production for our students. This is a new pathway here at Roosevelt called the Academy of Music and Digital Production. And all students in that pathway take that full CTE course sequence. When I look around this room, I see honestly so many things that make me proud. One is just seeing all of this equipment that we've been able to get through funds and grants actually being implemented and being used by students. I also love looking around and just seeing students enjoying themselves, hanging out, collaborating, communicating. The feeling of seeing a student finish their first beat ever is so exciting, really. It kind of brings me back to those first days of realizing that I could put those skills together into something cohesive that made me feel something, made someone else feel something. And so seeing that light go off in the kids' eyes where they really start to see how they can use these tools to express themselves, it's the best feeling there is. There are so many things I want people to know about what's going on here at Roosevelt. The fact that we have this type of course sequence where students are building their skills year after year. The fact that when they finish, they leave here with their own creative project, an EP or an album that is entirely theirs. And just the amount of incredible talent and skill we have going on here in Boyle Heights. I have to give it up to YPG. Working with them has been so incredible. I love their curriculum. I've been incredibly fortunate to even get to co-teach with some of their guest instructors. They have truly helped us get this program off the ground and make it as successful as it's been.
I'm Jack Aaron. I'm the CTE Music Technology teacher at Culver City High School, and I teach Music Production 1 and 2. This program initially started all virtual, all online during the COVID-19 pandemic, and then gradually we moved towards hybrid and in-person classes. At this time, we have moved from 20 students in a virtual class setting to now over 150 across 4 classes during the day and 2 or 3 after school. Let's use what the students can bring. Let's see what they bring to the table first, and then how can I help after the fact. Even if it's a genre I've never touched before, I'm there to help them and use their funds with them. Students are very much in touch with today's culture, utilizing various aspects of meme culture, modern pop, and electronic music at its fullest. I want especially people to understand that the music industry is ever evolving. So don't ever second guess and assume that we're just going to cycle through the same things over and over again. What my students are making in my classroom is purely original music based on the funds of knowledge that they bring to the table, based on what their peers share with them, and overall enthusiasm hopefully I bring to the table as a teacher.